Hey guys, let's fix this issue quickly. So I will show you how to fix it. First of all, we need to right click on the start icon and then click on the task manager. Once we are here, we need to find out the file explorer. So just keep scrolling down and you will get the file explorer here. Here it is, Windows Explorer or File Explorer. So right click on the Windows Explorer and click on End Task. So you can see the changes. The background is black. So I will click on Run New Task and then we will type here Explorer .exe and hit enter. So it will take a few seconds to fix everything, and then once done, we need to close this window. Again, press Windows key plus R key together to open Run, and then type here services .msc and hit enter. So it will open services window, and we need to find out the Windows search. So here it is. We need to right click on it, select properties. So it's disabled, so we have to enable it. Set startup type as automatic and then click on OK and click on start the services. And once done, click on OK. Close this window, simply restart the system. You can also check out our description and the pinned comment to fix this issue quickly and effectively. The way better methods are there. Simply restart the system and like the video. Please don't forget to subscribe the channel.